So
that's gonna stick too.
yeah, so I'm watching YouTube videos. Yeah. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Andre Ciapetta, your Florida exotic realtor. This is my 2019 Aston Martin Vantage, right under 19,000 miles on it. We drive her. We actually rally it pretty much cross country. I do Corsa Rally, like my shirt says, and a few other rallies around the country. That car actually has a heck of a story. The original owner is from California, and his name is Klaus Edinburger, and he owns P0 World, which is a Pirelli automotive enthusiast tuning shop with a whole bunch of tires over there in California. He sold this car to a dealership in Miami, and my friend purchased this car from the dealership in Miami about 2 years ago. And when he purchased it, it was on stock wheels, the suspension was stock, and it was China gray underneath the wrap. My buddy decides to sell it to me, and I saw YouTube videos of this car, and the only way I could tell, which I can't turn it on now, but there is a starlight roof under here.
Right.
And there was 2 YouTubers that were like, come check out this Aston Martin Vantage with the starlight roof in California. So I found the wheels on eBay, and me and the seller were trying to go back and forth with them, and we couldn't come to a price. And then like a month later, I still see them for sale, so I decided to call him. And I said, I think I have your old car. And we did the VIN check, and he's like, that's my old car. So he told me the story. He's like, yeah, I have these wheels, I have the suspension, because when I traded it in, the dealership didn't want this stance. They wanted it stock, basically. So I ended up getting the original wheels from the first owner and suspension put back on it. And that just happened about a week ago. It is stage 2 tuned. It was tuned by Rentec, but now it's tuned by Midnight Tuning. Straight pipes, down pipes, about 650 horsepower now. So cool. she does drive well. The original color, which I'll probably revert back to shortly, is the China gray there.
Oh,
and
okay.
the rims, because the original owner did this, painted the rims China gray. So yeah, she's a heck of a car.
Very cool. Yeah, that's a good story.
Yeah, sounds good. She's loud. I'll start her up for you.
Yeah.
She's a little rowdy.
Absolutely.